Now, next one is the division of the algebraic expression polynomial by a polynomial. So, polynomial, here we given a polynomial expression and divided by the polynomial expression y plus 5. So, first, here we given 5 y square plus 7y plus 10. So, first, this expression have to the middle term solving by the middle term splitting. So, y square, it means y square plus 7y, the both term the product will become 10 and the addition and the subtraction will become 7y. So 2y plus 5y, that is 7y, and 2 5s, the product of 2 number 2 into 5 will become 10. So 2y plus 5. So here the y will become common. So y plus 2 is remaining term and 5 is common. So y and 5 2s are 10. Now again y plus 2 will be common and the y plus 5. So these are the two factors for this algebraic expression. Now dividing by the y plus 5. So y plus 2 and y plus 5 divided by the y plus 5. So y plus 5 to y plus 5 cancel out. So the answer will become y plus 2. So this is the answer for a quotient for this algebraic expression, division of this algebraic expression. Now our next topic is the error finding. So you have to, this is an example of error finding questions. We given 4x minus 5 equal to 4x minus 5. So first you have to take, it means LHS equal to RHS, both will become equal. So first you have to take LHS. LHS 4x minus 5 and solve. 4 into x will become 4x and 4 into 5 will be 20. So 4x minus 20. But here answer will become, here we given answer is 4x minus 5. So you can write LHS is not equal, LHS is not equal to RHS. So the correct statement is 4x minus 5 equal to 4x minus 20. This is the correct statement. Now the second one is given 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square equal to 2. So you have taken LHS part. So dividing, it means 3x square upon 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square. This is 1. So 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. This is a correct statement. So, and this is a wrong. So you have to write then LHS is not equal to RHS part. So the correct statement. So the correct statement of 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square equal to 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. This is a correct statement. So in this type of question you can find the error.